Hey guys, Robert here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna be editing a video. It's of a table to go in a motorhome for my cousin. She should have been born in the 60s or 50s rather, and grown up in the 60s, to where they're used to all these wild colors and these peace signs on the van. That's the type. Nothing wrong with that generation. I love it. But that's the type of person she is. Anyway, the table you're going to see in the middle of it, when I start adding the colors to it, you're going to think, oh my God, this is going to be a disaster. This is not going to work. Wait till the end. Now, granted, personally, I wouldn't choose all these colors to go in a tabletop myself, but I've got to admit it looks pretty good. So, for being what it is, so just bear with me through the video. When you get to the end, you're going to see it. You'll be amazed. I promise it. It come out. It even surprised me. So that's saying something. Anyway, all right, guys. Now all I'm going to do is I'm just going to come in here and pour some of this clear epoxy out on the table. I'm going to take my hand. I need to just wet the whole table for the colors that I'm going to put on here, and it's just going to allow it to flow real easy. You'll see what I'm talking about in just a minute. All right, let's get these colors out of these containers. All right, we'll start with this one. In no particular order, I'm just going to and I'll come right behind that with my darker color. Move on to the next color. Okay, now what you want to do, let me get my other color out here. I'm going to use a little of this. I don't use too much of it just yet. I want to see what it's going to look like. Now, just take your hands and lightly go across the top. Don't dig your fingers into it. That's not what we're going for here. You just want to lightly graze across the top of it. This is why you see me in this old dirty shirt, because I lean over this project and I get all in it. Now I'm going to take some of this Aztec gold, put little streaks every now and again. They ain't got to go all the way across, or you can get crazy with them. It really don't matter. I'm doing this for my cousin, by the way, and this is the colors that they wanted all mixed up. She said she wanted some cells in it. Well, this will definitely give her some cells. I'm going to put the heat gun to this too, so that's not doing what I want to do. I need something over here. Let's see what we look like with this. Now, I will take my heat gun and move that stuff around. Give me just a second. Sorry about that. All right, when you fire your heat gun up, do it away from your project so you don't blow dust in it. I'm fixing to show you guys a little trick. Now that I have all that done, Now you're probably saying, oh my God, what is he doing? Just wait a minute. Oh, this is starting to set up really good. Let me check on my clear. Yeah, it's a little too hot. I can get a little bit of it on this brush. I almost forgot my white. Now we can continue. Now that it started to set up, now it'll do what I intended it to do. Hold its form. You'll see when this starts separating. Just let this do its thing now. Now I need my torch. Okay. Alright guys. I don't know what happened to my camera, but it stopped. I'm not sure how I feel about this piece. Some spots look okay, and other spots just, I don't know, it's hard for me to explain how I feel about it. But nonetheless, she's my cousin. She asked me to do it this way, so that's what I'm gonna do. I wish this camera would focus a little bit better. Got good color on the edges. I'm just not sure how I feel about it. There's a lot going on with this piece. Let me check the other side. The ends look good. Now see, to me this side looks a whole lot better than the other side. But like I said, it's not going in my RV, it's going in her RV. Let me get up here. There's a lot going on with that piece right there. A lot. Anyway, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Any of the Wisebond epoxy or dyes or pigments, mica powders, stir sticks, trowels, anything to do with epoxy that you need, you can get on Wisebond's website. There's a link in the description below with a 10% discount code on anything you get from Wisebond. So as long as you put that code in at checkout, it will take your discount and apply it. It's Kellogg 10, Kellogg, and the number 10, 10. them other links I have down there, they're affiliate links. So if you guys go on there and you purchase anything off one of the links, that I get a small kickback. Trust me, it's not a lot. I think it's like 6 cents for every sale, and it doesn't cost you guys anything extra. She loves bright colors, and I love her to death. I just love her to death. Let me know how you guys feel about this piece in the comments below. I appreciate you guys watching this video. Without you, none of this would be worth it. I'm trying to get this channel to go somewhere, and it is slowly, but I need it to grow so it can start supporting itself. Alright guys, that's going to do it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you ain't already done so. Hit the notification bell so you'll get notified when my videos do come out. I love you guys. Peace. Thank you for watching the video. I appreciate it. I told you it was going to be kind of wild looking from the beginning to the middle. You didn't think it was going to make it. Then toward the end, all the colors come together for something that she would love. That's what I was aiming for. That was my goal. I achieved that, I do believe. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you guys would have done anything different, what you think about it, just anything like that. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if I've earned it. Hit the subscribe button if you ain't already done that. Get yourself subscribed. Leave me a comment, even if it's just to say hi. If you have a question, leave your comment in capital letters. That way I know it's a question and I can answer it. Or if you see somebody else do it and I haven't answered, maybe you could answer it for them. Or if I've answered it and you think that my answer is not right, well, correct me. Leave that right answer. Please, by all means, do that. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Love you. Bye.